Chong Hong Ivan 恭喜你啊$2,000。
My name is Ivan. I'm a proud owner of this 4-room flat HDB. My interior designer is Interior Times. The theme I'm on is actually simplicity because I love my house to be big, clean and neat. My interior designer assisted me to bring me to the recommended accessory shop and guided me to choose from the different selections. I know Renopedia through social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. My favorite feature of my home is actually the kitchen, as it is under a dark theme and it's also easier to clean. I will take the amount that I want to save up for rainy days. New homeowners out there, I would suggest you to actually seek advice from your friends and also get multiple opinions from the interior designers before you finalize on your design for your new dream home. Visit Renopedia for more information about interior design. Thank you, Renopedia.
Renopedia, the leading online renovation media.